Hello, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, I'm going to teach you between operator. While writing the select statement in SQL query, the language will use for between operator. Between operator itself, the meaning itself it is there. The between means in between. Like say the operator select the values within a given range from the starting point and the starting point. We have a given two specified particular boundaries of the ranges. In between what we want, it will tell us and it will fetch for us. The operator will function based on the criteria and the condition, and we have a given a specified range. And the values can be, it can be the values we have to given the starting and ending point of the ranges. It can be maybe numbers or text or dates. Anything it can be possible. And similarly, the between operator is inclusive. Begin and end values are included here. And whenever you are applying for between operator while preparing the SQL statement, all what you have to do is there is a begin and end values like a range between begins from the range and ends the range here. Likewise, we have to specify the like a where we are starting from the point like a route map from source and destination, how we are going to assume and thinking about it. Likewise, the between also is required for a given certain range and the period of range. All right. And now see here in a real-time example, once we completed to see here like a basic like a select statement using between operator, how it would be formed. We'll see first, then later we'll see for real-time examples how it would be. Like say here, I'll write for select very simple statement like column 1, comma column 2. I have written something here. And from where it is like from table name. It may be single table or multiple table. All it depends upon your requirement. And where you can specify here like a where column, what are the column, which column you are going to be applying for filtering and applying for between operator like a COL column name and between if it is date you have to specify the date column here and which column you are going to specifying the range. Okay, that column we are going to suppose to write here. And now the between operator after the where class between, and now what you have to specify here the data range like value 1 with the using of a logical operator value 2 between the ranges of a first value and second value between and either or and or not. These type of operators can also be applicable to right here. Okay, now most probably we'll use for between. It is an AND operator, logical AND operator means from between this and this, the starting range and ending range, whatever it may be, vice versa you can specify over there. This is the basic syntax and ideologically I have shown you to how to prepare for using between operator select query statement. Okay, we jumped up to like a scene that a real-time example while taking any one of the people and seeing how it can be possible to see that data, right? Like which one will take to more like orders, like see the products will make it. Okay, production but products table will see. We require the price between the price I want to show you. That's it. Select like a star from what is this production dot products. That's it. Let's see. Is there any list underscore price? It is there no. The price in between the price range of the product items we'll see how it will be. Okay, just very simple. All it is a very simple. You know that if you want to make it as in a columns, you can mention the column names here, or else put it as in a wildcard like a star indication. And here I'm applying like a where class like a where I can simply write like a where class, and list underscore price. Name of the column, which column I'm going to applying for between operator. This is the list price. List price. Now see here, our game is start now. Now between game is now list price, and between what is the price range I can specify here. Yeah, I would like to see the lowest range of 300 and 500. That's it. This is my starting range and ending range from this column. Okay. Now let's see here by execute this statement. Yes. In here, we will see the order of the products, price of the products. We'll see within the range of 300 and 500. All the data rows you'll see here. Now let's check it by scrolling. Anyone in between other than this? Have you seen? All the prices which will be between this range only. You will get it here. And similarly, if you don't want to get within the range of price, it's very simple. Like adding, not between. That's it. Execute. Very funny. The result set it may be quite oppositely. It will come like the range. It's not between 300 to 500. You won't get the result. The result set output data parameters of the data rows. It's which is not between this range only. You will get it. You won't get within this range. Very simple to use this between operator. Have you seen here very clearly? All right. In such way, I would like to show you one more very clear example for like between operator. Before jump we start, let's see. Like I want to show you a simple thing. Like 379 it is there. In between I have a get the record set of 300 and 500. 379 it is there. And 379 somewhere else. 346 here. Likewise, there is a different places. These all the data rows are implying and displaying. To avoid such a situations, how can I make it as an like order by class for this? How can it can be? Let's see now. I'm adding here order by. What is the column name? I am going to writing list. Sorry, order by space list underscore price. Just see here, go here. You just see wonderful. Where we go, 319 is the lowest price we have seen, and automatically assigned the data. And if you want to get a descending order, just very simple. You just see here. That's it. You're playing with the data rows. This playing and getting the data rows as you wish to fetching from the database, which is the facility is available in RDBMS databases only. This facility is not fully available in Excel sheets, where Excel sheets are having the facility, whereas the number of data rows are the huge data, the lakhs of the data rows, even the database will be performance will show you like this only. By making in a quick of the press F5 button, you will immediately you will get the result set on fly. All you have to make it is in a performance of the system or server. Most probably you will get the result set as early. All right. And I would like to show you the one more thing here by applying the between operator, like most popular query, like what I want to show you, like date. Between the date range, it's very much important. I want to show you like this, and where you can be able to get the year. These are the years. Yes, model year also you can put it. Very simple. How it can be possible. I'm eliminating all the things and make it as a name of the column. Model underscore year between what is 2016. It is able to see in here, and I can mention here it is in 2017 only. The 2 years only I specify. Just press F5. You will get you will find out the model year. It will be within 2016 and 17. See here it is a 16. From here onwards it is 17. That's it. And this table is not having date column. So I want to change one more table. That is hopefully I'll get in the sales underscore orders. We'll go there. Straight away we'll go with another table. Sales dot orders. Yes. Now let's see here. Yes, we have plenty of columns of the date times here. Okay, I'll take it as an order date. Okay, based on the order date, we'll see how it would be. Like where order underscore date between, yes, between what I have to specify here. It's now first date. It is all about what I want to take. It is first date itself. I'm taking here itself 2016, and the second date 1/1/2016 is the first date. The second date I can take yeah, year ending will choose for it. Year ending means the same thing I can copy here. 31st I can mention, 12th month. That's it. Within the 1 year, how many the data records are available for the orders, I can check from the orders table. Just fry. You just see here, we are getting 1 year data records around 635. Have you seen here? It's automatically based on the what I can say that order by statement. It's based on the date wise. It is filtered and it is showing 12th month, 11th month, 10th month here, 9th month here. Similarly, as based on, and if I want to, if I want to be like a customer ID order wise or anything, if I want to more predictively, the result should be accurate. I can mention over here order by clause and the name of the column I can specify and make it as an order by condition what I want to require, like a ascending order or descending order. This is the most popular and very highly variable the range of the dates. If we want to require and getting from the database, we'll use for this between operator and fetching the data, and the value we have seen and the date ranges we have seen. Similarly, you can specify the here that like a string of number text values also as well. You can verify from the starting text range and ending testing range in your way, and let me know your output how it would be. I hope you have a good understand about the between operator. Thank you for watching this session. Thank you.